That sounds like a Chevy V8 to me. What size is it? 350 crate?
427.
427 LS7? Oh my God. Twin turboed? No, these are Pro Chargers.
Yeah.
What? Dude, this thing's supercharged. Twin superchargers. How much power does it make?
1200.
It makes more horsepower than my Corvette did. How fast have you got it up to?
Got up about 150, but I'm still in first gear.
What? No, you're no way.
2-speed power glide.
2-speed power glide, so first gear's 150.
4,000 RPM. Red line's at 7.
Red line's at 7,000 RPM. That's huge.
Well, 100 mile an hour, I can still spin the tire.
Can you give me a rev?
It's been raining.
Just like one rev, that's all I need to live. The torque jerked it. He has to brace himself. You have an amazing ride, sir.